So the next bit are the 3D flowers. I'll just do one just to prove that I've done it from the ground up. And like I say, I haven't done this before with cement-based adhesive. I have with silicone. So I'm just going to put a great big round circle, maybe a meringue's worth, if I were a person who cooked meringues, or the emoji we use when we're not so happy. And as you know, if you've done anything to do with flowers with me before, just cut the tip off to get a really good circle. I'm going to do 5 in this circle to hopefully have them up. You can overlay them, which might mean I would stick with the 6, but overlay them so they can pop up. So then it's just a matter of placing them in the circle that you want them to be in. So I'm 5 because I think it suits the style of the cup. I could potentially do 6, but it's up to you what you want. I think this goes with the cup. And remember, the cup is determining the design. And now I'm just going to pop in an orange one, and you can see it's a perfect fit. So if I had 6 of these, then it would be inclined to be flat. Put that in there, and then the last one in there, like that, and then pop its centre in. Voila. Now I want that to be black. Oops, where's my little poker? I do want this to be black, a black circle around the flower. The other thing you do, of course, make it your own. You could put little beads in there or whatever it is that you wanted. I had some beads I thought about sprinkling in there, but I didn't. So now just make sure everything's nice and even. So the edges of the petals are in the right spot. And then go away and finish off the rest. And here we go with the last one. Pop it in, press it down. Push things into the shape you want them to be. Before you go and leave them, I'll just round off this little point here. And this one here. And set it aside till it does its thing. I think it looks pretty good. Hello. So when that's all dry, so I don't bump anything, then I will glue the cup on. But you can see how the design up here matches what's on the cup. So you've got consistency in your design. It's not something that differs too much from the bit of crockery I've popped there. And the background is simple enough because this is a really simple geometric design. I'm pretty happy. I hope you like it.